Alright, so today's goal is to replace this window. I've exposed, this is a rot, but I have to redo the header because of course the code inspector came in and said you can't go with a replacement window. You have to go with a bigger window because of egress. Whatever. So I got my new 6 by 5 window, 6 foot by 5 foot. And here's the outside of this window. I'm gonna take this out, and so essentially pop this window out, and I have to make something to support the new the roof load while I take out the old header. So basically what I'm gonna do, and I know a lot of people would build a pony wall. If you're doing a span of less than 8 feet, this is less than 8 feet. What I like to do is I'll take the window out, I'll go ahead and put my new stud, so I'm gonna go right about here for the header, and I will clean up this edge and take a 2x6 or 2x8 and screw it to everything. And so I can still slide my new header behind the 2x6 that's taking the load, and I can start putting my jack studs in and all that. And then after I've put those in, I remove that, and that'll take the load perfectly. I mean, yeah, look at this. This is a double plated top plate, so there's already a good bit of ridgeability to it. And so the other way would be to build a king stud, a pony wall. But the way this roof is made, the roof joists are bird mouthed into that king stud. So if I just build a pony wall here, it's not going to support the roof because the roof is not supported like that. It's bird mouthed to that edge. So I got to kind of do it like the way the house is built. And so I need to support that most importantly. So I'll put like a 2x6 across there, screw it to, and let that take the load. But I'm about to pop this window out and get to it. Hopefully, the hardest part is going to be the cutting the siding, because the siding is aluminum. And I got Sawzall with a metal blade. I should be able to do it. All right, guys. So I got my temporary header up there, which has been doing a great job. No sag yet. And I got the old header out, which is a ordeal. Had to be cut up. And I got my new header built. When I say built, I took a 2x4 and put it on top because I have to get a little bit of length down. And so that way I said, hey, I'll put it together. That way they're already together and spaced and everything. And that'll slide up there. Then I'll use my jack studs in the corner to lift it up in place. And so I want it to be the tightest fit as possible. All right, you can see my header's in place. My jack studs are in place. And now I'm going to cut the aluminum siding. It does have some J channel. I might can reuse that. I don't know. So I made my marks, and actually you can see it kicks out a little bit, and that's because whatever reason it kicks in that way. I gotta make sure this is square before I do my cuts, but start them there, go all the way around. And then the window, I'm debating, I was gonna try to tuck everything underneath this piece of trim, and then I said to myself, what if I just cut where these holes are so it's even, and use the new construction nailing flange to go right against my siding, and then caulk it all the way around, because then I could hide all my crazy cuts and everything. Got the window installed, and that lip goes perfectly over there. I'm gonna find some caulk that matches or tries to, and go all the way around it, and build my encasement on the inside. It's leveled, ready to go. I got to do that window. Little house is coming together. I got 2 windows left to replace. I've done the ones on the front. I've already trimmed them out, and so the 2 on the side right here. I got a good deal on windows. The big one was 100. Those little one, the 3x5s were 40, which is really good for one that's highly rated. Double pane argon gas. My brother's here helping me, and today we're going to be hanging the drywall on here, replacing this window, and maybe probably the window in the kitchen today too. And then I'll show you the progress. So we've been insulating, hanging drywall. You can kind of get an idea, gotta start mudding this up soon. There was a place where the roof leaked there, so I had to replace more drywall. Yeah, I mean, yep. So yeah, these 2 rooms are hung, and just gotta finish this up today. We got all the drywall hung. Most of the windows are encased. My brother started mudding up in this room. I guess this is the master, and it's going good. Probably finish this tomorrow. There he's washing his hands. And yeah, I still got, gosh, 7 sheets of drywall, which I will use in the kitchen. And then after that, you know, just mud it up. I got all the windows are replaced. And yeah. Yeah, I just kind of used a lot of scraps on that one. We'll save a whole sheet for 2 whole sheets for this. A whole sheet for this corner is 3, 4, 5.